Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about generating HTML report using Bruno CLI. Prerequisite is Node.js. To check whether your system is having Node version, you can use this command. I will be sharing these details in the video description. I am copying the command. I have already opened one command line window. This window I am pasting the command and clicking enter. You can see that I am having already a Node.js version in my system. Its version is 20.9.0. If you don't have Node, just install from this particular link based on your OS. Now the next step is to install the Bruno CLI. To do that, you can use this particular command. We will be installing this particular package globally using the Node package manager. I am copying the command and pasting the command here and clicking enter. This installation might take some time based on your internet connection. The installation is complete. Now I will be showing the details of the collection that will be used in the demo. I have already opened Bruno. For this particular demo, I will be using the collection HTML reporter. There is create user request and get user request. For both these requests, I have added some assertions and tests. You can see this is the first request. In case of get user also, I have added assertion and test. Now I am going to run this collection using the runner. Click on these three dots, click on run option, click on run collection. You can see that two test code failed. This is to show the failed test cases in the HTML report. Now we are going to execute this collection from the command line. To do that, just open this particular collection from the command line. To generate HTML report, open command line, inside the collection and run this particular command. So in my file system, you can see this is the collection I will be using, and I am opening command line from this particular collection. Type cmd and click enter. This will open command line in this particular location. Now the next step is to use this particular command. Copy the command, paste it here. So we will be generating an HTML report with the name results.html. You can give any name, and we will be using this -- format flag to generate the report in HTML format, and we will be generating the output using the -- output flag. You can give any name to the report. I am giving name as results.html. After the execution, a results.html file will be created in your file system under that collection. Right now, if you check my collection, there will not be any reports. Now after the execution, you will be seeing a results.html with the HTML report. Just click on enter. This might take some time. Yeah, the execution is complete. You can see, as we have seen in the collection runner, some test cases code failed here as well. Now we can verify the HTML report generated. Go to the file system. You can see one result.html code generated. I am opening this one. So in this particular report, you can change the theme of the report. I am changing the light theme to dark theme. There are two tabs. One is summary tab, another is request tab. In summary tab, you can see the total request, total errors, those details as a summary, total assertions, total test. Now in the request tab, you can see the details of the request. If you want to see only the failed one, you can enable this one, so it will show only failed one. If you want to see all the details of the request, you can disable that toggle button. Now in the create user, you can see the response score, response time, test duration, URL, headers, request body, response headers, response body, and assertion information as well as the test information. This will be also be shown in the second request as well. So if there are multiple requests, all those request details and response details along with the headers, assertion, test will be all displayed in this particular HTML report. This is very useful HTML report. So this is how you can generate HTML report in Bruno using Bruno CLI. I hope this session was very useful to everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.